to another episode of Jumpin in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today this is what's going to be jumping in my pot: baked shrimp scampi. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients we will be using: minced shallot, minced garlic, lemon. I have in here salt and black pepper, red pepper flakes, white wine, fresh rosemary, unsalted butter, extra virgin olive oil, chicken broth, fresh minced parsley, panko breadcrumbs. I have here the shrimp in this bowl. And I'm going to serve this with angel hair pasta. You read the direction how long on the box, how long to cook it. This box says 4 to 6 minutes you boil the pasta in hot water. Now let's get to making the baked shrimp scampi. This is the first thing we do. We're going to marinate the shrimp for about 10 minutes. We add the white wine, salt and black pepper, olive oil. We mix this up. Okay, and then we set this to the side. Now, while the shrimp is marinating, let's move on to the next step. I have the rosemary here, and we're going to chop up some. As always, the ingredients will be in the description box below. Now, this is what we're going to do. I have a bowl here, and I'm going to put the chopped up rosemary. I have the panko breadcrumbs. We're going to add that to the bowl. We're going to add some parsley to the bowl. Give that a stir. And we're going to add some garlic to the bowl. Lemon juice. Butter. Mix this up. Olive oil. Red pepper flakes. We mix this up. Now we're going to add the shallot to the bowl. And we're going to mix this up. I have a baking dish here, and we're going to add the shrimps to it. We're going to add some chicken broth. And then we're going to scoop the mixture on top. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Spread it out evenly over the top. Then I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. And I have my oven set to 375 degrees. Here you have it, baked shrimp scampi. And I have here lemon that you can squeeze over the top and Parmesan cheese that you sprinkle over the top. And it's garnished with parsley. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.